Hey barbecue fans, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the Spirit 2 E-310 by Weber. It's a 3-burner liquid propane grill in black. And even though it is black, it may be the gold standard in liquid propane grills. It's got 1,800 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is the highest that I've seen. It's got the Amazon's Choice endorsement and is available on Amazon Prime, which means free delivery. Nice. This Weber grill is porcelain-enameled and has cast iron cooking grates. It's 52 by 26 by 57 inches and weighs about 20 pounds. It's got the GS4 grilling system with improved infinity ignition, burners, and porcelain-enameled Glamorizer bars. It also has a grease management system. It's got 530 square inches of cooking space over 3 burners. It also has 30,000 BTUs per hour on the main burners with fuel gauge. And the open cart design has 6 tool hooks and 2 large wheels. And also a built-in lid thermometer, very handy. And in case you're wondering what the GS4 grilling system is, like I was, it's composed of 4 key components: the infinity ignition, powerful burners, flavorizer bars, and a grease management system. These components ensure that every aspect of your grilling experience is easy and reliable, from the moment the burners are lit to the general maintenance of your grill. And together, they create a strong grilling engine within every Spirit 2 grill. And that info is from Weber, but now let's take a look at a helpful review from a verified purchaser called Love This Grill. Thoughts so far? Ignition is flawless, controls feel solid, got hot quickly, up to 500 degrees in a few minutes. Love the reversible grill plates, thicker on one side, thinner on the other. Assembly was straightforward, did it alone in 1.5 hours, without much head scratching. One leg of the grill arrived slightly dented, but still assembled fine and not worth returning. I was debating between the E-210 and this model, and went for this model for the extra grilling space, which I'm glad I did. Cooking shrimp, potatoes, and asparagus for 2 people, I needed that extra space. Looking forward to see how it holds up over time, but so far I am loving it. Well, there you go. Pick up your Weber Spirit 2 E-310 today. I think you're gonna love it.